Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recent, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, like that. Here we've got the recents, as you can see, so all previously open tabs. And if you want to, you can, for example, close only one of them, just swipe it up. But if you want to close all, tap on this X button. Now we can enter the recents to check, and as you can see, we've got no recent items, no recent apps, which means that we just successfully closed all of them. Sometimes you will meet the situation that your device will not close the last app you've opened, but no worries, all we have to do is to again swipe it up, so manually close it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.